Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope you all are doing well at home. You are enjoying your work. Here I am, your English teacher, Ms. Sadaf Javed, with part 2 of unit number 5, Sam and the Monkeys. In this video, we are going to do book exercises. So kindly take out your books on page number 22 so we can start with the activities and exercises. You have read about the chapter Sam and the Monkeys. I gave you the homework. This is the picture of your unit, Sam and the Monkeys. Let's start with the book exercises on page number 22. First exercise A is complete the sentences. You have to complete the sentences by adding these words from the word cloud. Copycat, swinging, jungle, selling, naughty, hats and tired. First blank. Sam lived near the, we know that Sam lived near the jungle, right? Jungle in the sentence. 2. He was dash hats. He was selling hats. Number 3. Sam was tired. Thak gaya tha. Number 4. The dash monkey. The monkeys were naughty. The naughty monkey took the hats. Number 5. Monkeys are copycats. Number 6. The monkeys were swinging in the trees. वो ट्रीज के ऊपर से छलांगे लगा रहे थे, एक से दूसरी जगह पे झूले ले रहे थे, swinging. Okay, what am I? Book page number 22. These are the statements and you are going to tell the name of the animal. I run and jump. I wag my tail. Which is the animal which can run and jump and also wag his tail? Wag means अपनी दुम को हिलाना. That is a dog. Number 2. I can fly, I make a nest. Which animal makes nest? That is a bird, and the bird can also fly. Number 3. I like cheese, I hide in a little hole. Which animals like cheese and which animal like to live in a little hole? That is a mouse. I am naughty, I swing in the trees. Which animals like to swing in the trees and which is famous for being naughty? That is मंकी. मंकीज बहुत शरारती होते हैं और वो कहाँ रहते हैं? ट्रीज में झूले झूलते रहते हैं. सो दिस वॉज एक्सरसाइज बी ऑन पेज नंबर 22. देयर इज एक्सरसाइज सी. इमेजिन, कॉपी एंड कलर. यू हैव टू draw and color. For example, there is a picture of cap, winter cap. You have to draw this cap over here in the empty column and you have to color them, both of the caps. In the second picture, there is the face of the monkey. Draw the face of the monkey in the empty column and then color it. This is your homework on page number 22. Let's move to next exercises on page number 23, language. Here we are going to learn something. Underline the words that does not belong. Okay, we have done this exercise in unit 2. You must have remembered this exercise. In this exercise, there are words in the sentences which does not fit in the sentence. For example, I like to ride my biscuit bicycle. What is biscuit bicycle? No, I like to ride my bicycle. I cannot ride my biscuit. So here the word biscuit is inappropriate. Underline the word biscuit. Number 2. I write fight in my copy. Can you fight in your copy? No, I write in my copy. So the word fight does not fit here. Underline the word fight. Number 3. Cats like to drink mice milk. Cats like to drink mice? No, it is not possible. Cats like to drink milk. So underline the word mice. Number 4. The teacher works in the shop. We know that the teacher works in the school. The teacher does not work in the shop. So underline the word shop. Number 5. I like to paint paper at school. I like to paper at school? No, it could be I like to write at school. But here we have two words, paint and paper. So the correct statement is I like to paint at school. So underline the word paper. Number 6. I have one nose and two eyes. We all have 2 eyes. So here the word 3 is inappropriate. Underline the word 3. This exercise to be done on page number 23. Next exercise. Is it small, tall or sad? Page number 23. There are different things on the picture. For example, mouse, a giraffe and a sad joker. So we know that mouse are small. We know that giraffe is tall and the picture shows that the joker is sad. So write sad with the joker picture. Okay, let's move to next exercise. Okay, it is a very interesting exercise, animal crossword. You can see there is a crossword in your book and you have to complete this crossword. There are different words given in the word cloud. You have to fit those words according to the statements. आपने सही वर्ड चुनना है और फिर आपने वो वर्ड यहाँ पे लिखना है इन बॉक्सेस में. Across, first of all across मतलब इस तरह से, ठीक है, horizontal. Number 3, the cat catches me. Which animal does the cat catch? That is mouse, and it is on number 3. So we have written mouse, M-O-U-S-E, in the across the crossword. Okay. Number 5, I am a young cat. What is the young cat called? Kitten. So you have to write the spelling of kitten in number 5, K-I-T-T-E-N. Number 7, I am a young dog. The young dog is called puppy. Yes, puppy. You have to write the answer 7 in puppy. You have to write puppy in 7 box. Number 8, I can be Billy or Nanny. Billy or Nanny are the name of the goat. So goat is in the number 8 one. In 8 you have to write goat, G-O-A-T. Number 9, you eat me for Christmas dinner. People eat this on Christmas, that is turkey. Turkey is written here. Turkey is a big chicken type of thing and people eat this on Christmas dinner. Okay, now up to down. I swing in trees. Which animal swing in trees? We know monkey. In number 1 here you have to write the word monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y. I am king of the jungle. Which animal is the king of jungle? We all know that lion is the king of jungle. And it will come on number 2. Where is number 2? Here. So we have to write L-I-O-N. I have a long trunk. Which animal has trunk? Elephant. So number 4 box you have to write elephant. Where is 4? Here. 4. So write E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. 6, I am a big cat with stripes. That is tiger. Tiger is a big cat type and it also has stripes on its body. Black stripes. Okay, you have to complete this crossword on your book, page number 23. In number 1 there is monkey, number 2 lion, number 3 mouse, number 4 elephant, number 5 kitten, number 6 tiger, number 7 puppy, number 8 goat, and number 9 turkey. This is a very interesting work. Let's move to next exercise. Page number 24, sounds. Here we are going to study the sounds. Say the sounds and complete the sentences. The words ending at A, A-Y, stay and play. Words ending at and, hand, band. You can see these are the rhyming words also. Words ending at 8, gate, plate. Ave, gave, wave. Wave means leher. In, green, seen. Okay, you have to complete these sentences. Number 1, I have a green coat. Yes, I have a green coat. Number 2, I hear the dash playing. What can we hear? Bands, drums or guitar. Number 3, Granny dashed me a present. Granny gave me a present. We have chosen the word gave. I like to dash with a ball. I like to play with a ball. Number 5, please close the gate. Number 6, have you dashed my coat? Now you can see there are the words which are rhyming words on the other hand. Have you seen my coat? Number 7, band. In this sentence there will be rhyming word hand. I hurt my hand. In this sentence number 3 there was gave and the rhyming word of the gave is wave. The sentence will be according to the wave. I saw a big wave in the sea. Wave means leher, samandar ki leher. Number 9, I have to stay in bed. Play, stay. My dinner is on the plate. Gate, plate. Okay, this was a very interesting exercise. Okay, your homework is to draw a green gate and a red plate. I have pasted the picture of a gate and a plate, but I haven't colored it. This is your work to draw the gate and then color it green, and draw a plate and color it red. This is your homework. Now let's move to next exercise. On page number 24, ring the odd sound. Okay, in this exercise you have to ring the odd word. There would be two words which have the rhyming word, but there would be one word that is odd. Two words होंगे उनकी आवाज़ मिलती जुलती होगी. They would have same sound, but one word will be different. For example, pot, God. They are the same rhyming word, and the clap is different. So circle the word clap. Number 2, pool, cool. Same rhyming word. Circle the word salt. Number 3, clay, pram, cram. You can see pram, cram have the same rhyming sound. So circle the word clay. Number 4, rant, chant. They have the same rhyming sound. So circle the word heat. Number 5, tree, bee. They have the same rhyming sound. Circle the word seen because it is different. Number 6, ramp, came and lamp. Ramp and lamp have same rhyming sound, whereas came is different. So circle it. Number 7, cake, black, make. Cake and make have same rhyming sound, so circle the word black. Number 8, tail, mare, care. Mare and care have same rhyming sound, whereas tail is different, so circle the word tail. Number 9, gate, plate have the same rhyming sound, whereas flat is different, so circle the word flat. Number 10, tart, hair and part. Tart and part have the same rhyming sound, whereas hair is different. Okay. Now on the book page number 24 there is exercise C, listen and spell. So in that exercise you have to take the dictation test. These are the dictation words which you have to learn, and your parent will take the dictation on page number 24. Jungle, tired, monkeys, playing, copycats, swinging, plan, trick, quickly, angry. Learn the spelling of these words. Okay. Do all the exercises on book from page number 22 to 24, and dictation words should be taken from parents on the page number 24. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.